Hey there, this is David from EVnSteven, and in this tutorial I'm going to just give you a quick overview of the top level functions of the EVnSteven app. We have at the bottom 5 main navigation choices. We have vehicles, stations, charging, billing, and support. At the top left, we have a side menu with many options, including access to your user account. And we have at the top a network status. If there's an internet outage, you'll see that network status change and it'll give you information. And then we have light mode and dark mode to save your eyes. And then we have our token wallet at the top right. In the token wallet, you can see your balance and you can purchase tokens. That is the surface level of the EVnSteven app. Thank you for using the app. We really appreciate you. Please check out our other tutorials. Have a great day.